Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday and today we are making some avocado and hummus quesadillas. These are so good for your lunchtime meals. They're quick and easy and they are delicious. I've made this meal many times for me and my husband so that we can have it for our lunch when we go to work. And it only takes 6 ingredients. This is going to be a quick one. Are you guys ready? If you like this video and you want to see more lunches, please be sure to hit that like button as well as subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, hit that bell notification so that you guys can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also be sure to check out my Instagram. I post behind the scenes like today of what is happening so that you guys can have a sneak peek of what's to come. There's also things that I do throughout my week that might not have to do with cooking that you guys might be interested in looking at. So let's get cooking. I need to do is make the hummus that goes on top. If you have a local hummus brand that you like, please grab that. I like this one, Sabra. I like Sabra, and I got the roasted red pepper hummus. I thought maybe it'll have a nice flavor to it. I haven't tried it, but why not? And then we have some cilantro and some cumin. Now the recipe does only call for a 1/4 cup of hummus, but how many cups is this? 17 ounces, and a cup is about 8 ounces. Oh, this is a lot. Well, I'll measure. This is a 1/3 cup, that's 1/3 of a cup. I think I might just do a whole cup, 3 of these. Alright, so because I did a full cup of hummus, I'm going to do a full teaspoon of cumin. Now normally it would call for a 1/4 cup of hummus and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, but since I'm making a little bit more today, I'm going to scale it up and do a whole teaspoon. Normally you would do 1 teaspoon of minced cilantro. I have times my recipe by 4, so I'm going to do 4 tablespoons. I hate how cilantro sticks to you so bad. Okay, and now I'm going to mix it all together. Okay, I'm going to set it aside and go to my next step. Now I'm going to need my tortillas, my queso fresco, and my avocado. What I'm going to do is spread the hummus on. I'm going to slice up my avocado and put on half of my tortilla, and then I will sprinkle the cheese on that same half, fold it, and then we'll meet you guys at the stove. Now you can put as little or as much hummus that you want. It's totally your preference. I like a little more hummus than maybe what the original recipe called for. That's also why I make a bigger batch, because I personally like more hummus, and I think it tastes better with a little bit more hummus. This avocado looks amazing. This is a good avocado. Wait, I didn't want to do it like that. Oh well. That one has a lot of avocado. I cut this one wrong, so let me cut the other half the right way. For me personally, instead of slicing down, I like to slice this way, and then I have easier slices that I can just peel out of the avocado. Depending on your avocado size, you can get about 3 to 4 quesadillas with avocado. This one I kind of messed up on, so I only got 3, but still that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna go in with my queso fresco, and I'm just going to sprinkle the crumbs on top. And this again is just preference, whatever you like best. If you like a lot of cheese, do a lot. If you like a little bit of cheese, do a little. I'm kind of like in the middle. I don't like too much, but I do like to taste it. So I like it to be prominent, but not too overpowering. I'm going to fold them in half. Now I'm going to take this to my stovetop and put them in the skillet so that my tortillas are crispy golden brown on the outside. Come on. Alright, here are my quesadillas. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil just so I can get a nice crisp tortilla. Nice crisp quesadilla. And this won't take too long at all. I will be flipping it in about like a minute or two. Ah! Okay, you guys can see that nice golden brown. That is what we're looking for. Yes. Ah! My hands. Alright, we are done. That was it. Super simple. Thank you so much for joining me today. Oh wait, why am I saying thank you? I need to try it. Duh. So we are done making this. I plated it, I took some pictures, and now it is time for me to try it, and I know how it's going to taste. The only thing that I do different is the hummus. I did a different flavor of hummus this time. I did the roasted red pepper, and I just know it's going to be amazing. Mmm! I'm gonna eat the whole thing. It's so good. Even left over, it gets a little soggy. But if you have a toaster oven, you can toast it right back up and it is delicious. If you don't, it's still good. It just might not be as crispy and crunchy as it should be. Crispy and crunchy. Weird. But it is still delicious. The flavors are great together. Only thing I want to try with this next time I make it is putting an egg on top. I will keep you guys posted for when I do that. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow morning as my breakfast. I don't know, but I think an egg on top of this would taste so good. Thank you so much for joining Mayday in the kitchen for this week's episode. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I hope to see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.
Underneath it all, everything's actually all right.